This moment is yours. Do you feel it? That tug, that spark, that pull in your chest? That's not random. It's the universe calling you forward. You didn't find this video by chance. No, this is a sign. A message meant just for you. Your time has come. Maybe you've been waiting, watching others find their breakthrough while wondering when yours would arrive. Or maybe you've been holding on to a dream that feels just out of reach, like winning a big lottery jackpot. But listen closely. Today, everything changes. Right now, claim it. Speak these words into existence. I am so ready to step into my new self. Write it in the comments. Say it out loud. Let every cell in your body feel the truth of it. This moment is the beginning of something incredible. It's not just about listening, it's about acting, believing, and becoming. Stay with me, because what comes next could rewrite everything you thought was possible. Right now, let's pause for a tiny moment and look at your life. Be honest. Does it feel like you're stuck in a loop? Day after day, you wake up, and it's the same routine, the same thoughts, the same emotions, leading to the same outcomes. It's not your fault. Trust me, it's really not. Your brain is simply running on autopilot, replaying the patterns it's familiar with. But here's the thing, you don't have to stay in this cycle. Imagine this. What if, instead of just hoping for a change, you decided that today was the day you break free? What if you started acting like the winner you've always dreamed of being? Think about it. You're here watching this for a reason. That's not a coincidence. This is your moment to shift. Here's where it gets exciting. What if I told you that the power to change your life, to attract financial freedom, and even to win the lottery isn't out there somewhere? It's already inside you. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are the key. And when you learn how to align them, you'll see results that feel almost magical. Let's start with this. Your brain is wired to create what it focuses on. Science shows that you process around 400 billion bits of information per second, but you're only aware of a tiny fraction of that, about 2,000 bits. That means most of your reality is shaped by subconscious patterns. And here's the thing, your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what you vividly imagine. Neville Goddard once said, "Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and act upon it with conviction." This isn't just spiritual wisdom, it's backed by neuroscience. When you imagine yourself as a winner, as someone who is financially abundant, your brain begins to fire in new ways. It starts to create neural pathways that align with that vision. Think about this. People who have gone from struggling to thriving didn't wait for circumstances to change. They changed their inner world first. They imagined themselves living their dreams. They saw themselves holding that winning lottery ticket, feeling the joy and relief that comes with it. And because they believed it, they began to align their actions and energy with that vision. Dr. Joe Dispenza explains this beautifully. You can't wait for your success to feel successful. You must feel it now, and your reality will shift to match your energy. But most people do the opposite. They wait. They wait for proof before they believe. They wait for the external world to give them permission to feel abundant. But here's the truth. Waiting keeps you stuck. If you want to create wealth, success, or anything extraordinary, you have to start by feeling it first. Now, I want to take a moment to celebrate you. The fact that you're here, watching this, shows that you're ready to step into a better version of yourself. And if you haven't already, take a second to subscribe to this channel. It's not just a click, it's a declaration that you're ready for growth and transformation. Take a moment to reflect. What story are you telling yourself about money right now? Are you saying, "I'll never be able to afford this," or "winning the lottery is just a dream"? Or are you choosing to say, "I am ready for abundance," or "wealth is flowing to me effortlessly"? Because the story you repeat is the reality you create. Your thoughts and emotions are like magnets, pulling experiences toward you. When you focus on lack, you attract more lack. But when you focus on abundance, on gratitude for what you already have, and excitement for what's coming, you align yourself with the frequency of success. This isn't just about thinking positively. It's about rewiring your brain to believe in a new reality. Every time you visualize yourself achieving your goal, you're strengthening the neural pathways that make it possible. Neville Goddard taught this as living in the end. When you imagine yourself already living the life you desire, you're no longer wishing for it, you're becoming it. Let's make this practical. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, don't reach for your phone or start thinking about your problems. Instead, close your eyes and spend a few minutes imagining your future self. Picture yourself holding that winning lottery ticket. Feel the excitement, the gratitude, the freedom. Let those emotions flood your body. Why does this work? because your brain and body don't know the difference between a real experience and an imagined one. When you practice this daily, you're teaching your brain to recognize success as normal. But visualization alone isn't enough. Your actions need to match your vision. Start showing up as the version of you who already has what they want. Make decisions from a place of abundance, not fear. Speak with confidence. Carry yourself with certainty, and take inspired action every day. Think of it this way: every thought you think is like planting a seed. If you're constantly thinking about what you don't have, you're planting seeds of scarcity. But when you focus on gratitude, abundance, and possibility, you're planting seeds that grow into the reality you want. Dr. Joe Dispenza calls this process pruning and sprouting. When you stop thinking the thoughts that don't serve you, your brain starts to let go of those old pathways. And when you repeatedly think new, empowering thoughts, you're growing new pathways that align with your goals. But here's the challenge: your old self will resist. It's been conditioned to live in stress, doubt, and limitation. This resistance isn't a sign of failure. It's a sign that change is happening. Every time you choose to focus on your vision instead of your fear, you're breaking free from the old patterns and stepping into your new self. Now let's talk about energy. Your thoughts and emotions create an electromagnetic field around you. Dr. Dispenza teaches that your heart's electromagnetic field is 100 times stronger than your brain's. When you combine clear intentions with elevated emotions like joy, gratitude, and excitement, you're sending a powerful signal to the universe. The universe doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to who you're being. So ask yourself, who are you being right now? Are you aligning with your future self, or are you stuck in the habits of your past? Remember, the quantum field doesn't recognize time. It only responds to the energy you're broadcasting in this moment. When you feel abundant, you attract abundance. When you feel like a winner, you attract winning circumstances. Think about that for a moment. The energy you're putting out right now is shaping your future. This isn't some abstract idea. It's how your brain and the universe are designed to work together. When you carry the energy of abundance, success, and gratitude, you're not just imagining it, you're magnetizing it. But here's the challenge. Most people spend their energy focusing on what they don't have. They wake up thinking about their problems, their fears, or all the things they wish they could change. And guess what? The universe responds by sending more of the same. Neville Goddard said it best: man moves in a world that is nothing more or less than his consciousness objectified. In other words, the world you see around you is a reflection of your inner state. If you want to change your life, if you want to manifest wealth or even win the lottery, you have to start by changing what's happening inside your mind. Dr. Joe explains the science behind this. Your brain has something called the reticular activating system, a network of neurons that acts like a filter, determining what you notice and focus on. When you repeatedly focus on abundance, opportunities, and success, you're training your brain to see those things everywhere. Now, let's make this practical. Instead of waking up and scrolling through your phone, start your day with intention. Take 5 minutes to visualize yourself living in the reality you want. Imagine holding that winning lottery ticket. Feel the excitement as you realize your financial dreams have come true. Visualize it so vividly that your brain can't tell the difference between the vision and reality. But don't stop there. Throughout your day, remind yourself of your vision. Speak affirmations like, "I am worthy of wealth," or "money flows to me effortlessly." These aren't just words, they're instructions for your subconscious mind. Here's another tip. Act as though your manifestation has already happened. Carry yourself with the confidence of someone who is financially free. Make decisions as if you already have the wealth you desire. This isn't about pretending, it's about aligning your energy with your future self. When you do this consistently, you'll start to notice subtle changes. Opportunities will appear, ideas will flow, and the right people will show up in your life. This is the quantum field at work. It's not magic, it's alignment. The path to abundance doesn't require monumental effort. It's about small, intentional actions taken consistently over time. Whether it's visualizing your goal, practicing gratitude, or repeating affirmations, each step brings you closer to the life you desire. Let's talk about resistance. As you begin this journey, you might feel old doubts or fears creeping in. That's normal. Your brain is wired to resist change because it feels safer sticking to what it knows. But every time you push past that resistance, you're rewiring your brain for success. Remember, your thoughts create your reality, Neville Goddard taught that imagination is the starting point of all creation. Dr. Joe Dispenza confirms this with science. When you combine clear intentions with elevated emotions, you activate your brain's potential to shape your life. So, what energy are you broadcasting right now? Are you focused on abundance or lack, success or failure? The choice is always yours. Right now, think about your life. Every morning, you wake up, and within moments, your brain switches on its usual programming. You think the same thoughts, feel the same emotions, and make the same decisions. It's not your fault. Your brain is simply wired to create patterns. But what if you could break free? What if you could rewire your brain to create a future of abundance and success, even winning the lottery? Here's the truth. Most people wait for their circumstances to change before they believe in something new. They wait for the perfect relationship, the dream job, or the financial windfall. But the universe doesn't work that way. Success starts inside you. You must change your thoughts and energy before your life will change. Neville Goddard once said, "Change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live." This isn't just an idea, it's how reality works. The world reflects what you believe about yourself. If you see yourself as someone struggling, life will show you more struggle. But if you dare to see yourself as abundant and successful, you'll align with a whole new reality. Now let's talk science. Dr. Joe Dispenza teaches that your brain operates like a quantum computer, constantly adapting and evolving based on your focus. When you visualize success or wealth, your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. It starts firing new neural pathways, creating a roadmap for your future self. But here's where most people get stuck. They're addicted to their emotions. Stress, fear, and doubt become familiar states that your body craves. Every time you think about your problems, you're reinforcing the same patterns, keeping yourself locked in the past. What if, instead of starting your day with stress, you began with intention? Imagine yourself as the version of you who's already won, financially free, holding the winning lottery ticket, living a life of ease. Feel the excitement and gratitude as if it's happening right now. This isn't wishful thinking, it's science. You're training your brain to believe in a new reality, and the quantum field responds to that belief. Here's a simple but powerful exercise. Close your eyes and focus on your heart. Breathe deeply, as if your breath is flowing in and out of your chest. This technique creates coherence between your heart and brain, amplifying your energy. Now, generate a feeling of gratitude, not just thinking about what you're grateful for, but actually feeling it. Why gratitude? Because it's the ultimate state of receivership. When you feel grateful, you're signaling to the universe that you already have what you desire. This shifts your energy and magnetizes the experiences you're seeking. But visualization alone isn't enough. You have to take inspired action. Align your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors with your future self. Carry yourself with confidence and certainty, knowing that success is inevitable. It's like creating a new pathway through a forest. The first time you walk it, it feels unfamiliar. But the more you walk it, the clearer and easier the path becomes. Similarly, every time you think new thoughts or take new actions, you're rewiring your brain and shifting your energy. Dr. Joe Dispenza explains this as moving from particle to wave. When you focus on possibilities instead of limitations, you open yourself up to the quantum field of infinite potential. You're no longer stuck in the known. You're creating the unknown. Resistance will come. Your body might try to pull you back into familiar patterns of stress or fear. But remember, this is part of the process. Every time you choose to focus on your future instead of your past, you're breaking old habits and stepping into a new reality. Neville Goddard often spoke about living in the end. This means acting, thinking, and feeling as if your goal is already achieved. If you want to win the lottery, don't wait for the numbers to align. Live today as though you've already won. Feel the joy, the relief, and the freedom that comes with it. The quantum field doesn't recognize time. It only responds to the energy you broadcast right now. When you combine clear intentions with elevated emotions, you're sending a powerful signal that draws opportunities and abundance to you. As you move through your day, stay conscious of your energy. Catch yourself when you start to fall back into old thoughts or emotions. Shift your focus back to your vision. Speak affirmations like, "I am abundant," or "Money flows to me effortlessly." These aren't just words. They're signals to your brain and the universe. This process isn't about forcing success. It's about becoming it. The more you practice this, the more natural it will feel. And when success feels normal, it becomes your reality. Let's pause and think about your daily routine. How often are your first thoughts of the day centered on stress, worry, or the weight of your current circumstances? This habit is not unusual. Most people unconsciously repeat the same thoughts, reinforcing the same emotions, and creating the same outcomes. But here's the truth. You are not stuck. You have the power to break this cycle and create a reality that aligns with your deepest desires. Success, abundance, and even financial freedom begin within. Imagine waking up each day with a mindset tuned into possibility. Instead of focusing on the past or what feels impossible, you choose to focus on the life you want to create. This small but significant shift can change everything. Neville Goddard put it best: "To be conscious of being poor while praying for riches is to be rewarded with that which you are conscious of being." If you want to manifest wealth, you can't approach it from a place of lack. Instead, you must see yourself as already wealthy, already abundant. What does this look like in practice? Start your day by imagining yourself living your dream life. Close your eyes and picture the financial freedom you desire. Feel the joy of having all your needs met, the excitement of pursuing your passions without limits. The more vivid and emotional this visualization, the more your brain accepts it as reality. Your body doesn't know the difference between a real experience and one you vividly imagine. When you combine your imagination with emotion, you're training your brain to believe in your success. This belief changes the way you think, the way you act, and ultimately, the opportunities you attract. Your words are more than just sounds. They're commands to your subconscious mind. When you speak as if your desires are already true, your mind works to align your reality with those words. As you move through your day, act as if you've already achieved your goals. If you were financially free, how would you walk? How would you speak? How would you make decisions? Begin to embody these qualities now, even in small ways. This alignment between your thoughts, feelings, and actions is what draws your desires to you. Here's a practical exercise. Each time you catch yourself falling into a negative pattern, pause. Take a deep breath and redirect your focus. Remind yourself of your vision and reconnect with the feelings of gratitude and excitement. These small, intentional moments will reinforce your new reality. Manifestation is not about forcing the universe to give you what you want. It's about becoming the person who naturally attracts those things. It's not about chasing success, it's about allowing success to find you. As you walk through this process of transformation, remember one vital truth. You already have everything you need within you. The power to shift your circumstances, to attract abundance, to manifest success is already part of who you are. It's not about adding anything to yourself. It's about uncovering the limitless potential that's been there all along. Let's talk about alignment. Many people think success is about chasing opportunities or working harder than everyone else. While effort is important, the real key lies in aligning your energy with the outcome you desire. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions are in harmony with your vision, success begins to flow to you naturally. Neville Goddard called this living in the end. This means acting as if your dream is already a reality. If you want to win the lottery, start living with the energy and mindset of someone who's already financially free. Feel the relief, the excitement, and the gratitude as though it's already yours. This emotional state is what creates alignment, and alignment is what attracts your desires. But alignment isn't something you do once and forget. It's a daily practice. Each morning, take a moment to reconnect with your vision. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and visualize your goals in vivid detail. Let the emotions of success flood your body. The more you practice this, the more your brain will rewire itself to support this new reality. Let me leave you with this. Everything you've ever dreamed of, success, wealth, freedom, is closer than you think. The power to create it has been inside you all along. It's not about luck, and it's not about waiting for the right moment. It's about deciding, right now, to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the life you truly desire. If this resonated with you, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment sharing your affirmation or goal. Declare it to the universe. Thank you for watching this video. Keep this energy with you and take one small step today toward the life you want. I really hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.